Hi friends, we are going to meditate on Vigyan Bhairav techniques. This is the fifth technique in Vigyan Bhairav, focusing on third eye. So let's get ready, sit comfortably and easily. Relax your whole body. Keep your spine straight. No tension in any part of the body. Eyes closed. And take a deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. This is a technique where we focus on our third eye. This is not a physical eye. Keep breathing and keep relaxing. Vigyan Bhairav is very ancient scripture where Shiva explains Parvati about 108 meditation techniques. And we have an opportunity to practice one of them. Keep breathing and keep relaxing. Now slowly take your attention in between the eyebrows. Total attention in between the eyebrows. With your closed eyes, just try to see in between the eyebrows. This gland is very powerful. It needs attention. If it is not happening, just take it easy and with little effort, again bring your attention in between the eyebrows. If you try a little, slowly it will start happening. And as it starts happening, you might see that you are slowly becoming a witness to your own thoughts. In general, we get identified with our own thoughts and get carried away. But if your attention is in the third eye, you might experience you have become a witness to your own thoughts. The thoughts are running before you, and you feel becoming the witness. Bring your attention in between the eyebrows. Feel that witnessing and relax. The thoughts are still there, but you have become a witness. Also feel the subtle breathing, the essence of breathing is prana. You are breathing in the prana. Air is just a medium, but it is bringing the vital life force energy, the prana. Now take your attention to the top of your head and feel the prana is moving to the top of your head. Feel the relaxation and imagine the prana is completely filling your top of the head. Your body is completely relaxed, and try imagination. Imagination is very easy when you are centered in the third eye. Feel the breath is reaching all parts of the brain and providing the life force energy. Now extend your imagination a little and feel the prana is showering on top of your head. Or feel you're sitting under the tree and flowers are showering on top of your head. Total attention on top of your head. Or feel it's a sunny morning and the sun rays are showering on top of your head. Use the imagination. Attention on top of your head and feel the prana, the flowers, the sun rays are showering on top of your head. Take a deep breath in and relax. Breathing in and breathing out. Feel the relaxation in the mind. Om Purnamada Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We are going to come out of the meditation. Just become aware about your own body and surroundings. Do not open your eyes immediately. Once you are ready, just open your eyes. Thank you and Namaste.